DxR Nursing Select, Instructor Tutorials, Reviewing Student Records. After your assignment has commenced and students have redeemed an access code to your unit, you can log in to your administrator account and see indications of the student's progress through the case or cases you have assigned. Navigate to the unit that contains your assignment and click Manage Unit. Click the User Codes and Records tab. You will see a list of all user access codes generated for this unit. Use the page forward arrows to navigate through the list. Unredeemed codes will appear first on the list, followed by an alphabetical listing of students who have redeemed their codes. For each student's record, you will see a Show Task Detail link. Click the link to expand the view to show detail of the student's progress on each case section installed into the unit. You can see the status of student work, either not started, in progress, or complete. Also, you can see time spent in each section the student has started, and student scores for completed sections or cases. Note: a red flag icon associated with a student's score indicates one or more penalties were applied to the student's score in that section of the case. If you need to remove a student record from this unit, click Delete Record to remove the user's record. This action does not delete all records associated with this student, nor does it delete the student's account. The Module Scoring Summary. Click the Complete link to see the student's detailed score report for that completed case section. This area of the score report displays a total score for this section or module, expressed both as a raw number and as a percentage. Raw scores for each task within the section or module, including a score for any questions included. Task Scoring Detail and Expert Feedback. This area of the score report displays a tab for each scored task within this module or section, including questions. A tab displaying expert feedback text that provides an explanation and/or rationale for the primary considerations in this section. There are tabs to display all the correct selections, the student's selections that matched the case author's criteria, non-criteria selections, those student selections that did not match the case author's criteria, all selections, the entire list of the student selections, both correct and non-criteria, and omitted selections, the case author criteria the student failed to select. Criteria and Selection Details. This area of the score report displays the criteria and/or sections for the task selected above. In this example, the Selecting Data task is selected, and the display is set for correct selections. The criterion shown is one the student selected that matched the criteria set by the case author. Acceptable equivalents for the case author's criterion are displayed along with the criterion. Student selections that match case author criteria are marked as right. Review Task. This button, when present in the score report, allows the instructor to view in context the student selections in this section or module, and allows the student to review a previously completed section or module and see all his or her selections in context. Note: the Review Task button is available to the student only when the Allow Task Review preference is enabled in the Instructor tools. Efficiency Warning and Penalty. This warning or penalty appears when the student selections exceed the efficiency limits. This applies only to the selecting data portion of the student score in the chart assessment and physical assessment sections. In the Care Plans section, penalties may apply if the user selects harmful interventions or if the user omits one or more essential interventions. reset record, or rescore record. Only on the instructor's view of the score report screen, the reset record link allows instructors to reset the record so the student may start the section over again. Rescore record is used to reapply the scoring criteria to the student's work. This is most useful if an error or interruption occurred during the initial scoring.